sojourners as we travel from dusk to light. There is a language that speaks before words were ever formed. It does not come through lips, yet it is always speaking. It is the bending of trees in the wind, the stretching of light across the morning sky, the silent agreement between seed and soil. This is nature. Before man built temples of stone, God built temples of breath. Before pulpits was raised, mountains stood preaching without sound. And the rivers have always been baptizing, long before hands learned how to lower bodies into water. For nature is not separate from God. It is the garment he wears in silence. The wind moves, yet you cannot see it. But you see what it touches. So is the Spirit. As it is written, the wind bloweth where it list, and thou hearest the sound thereof, but canst not tell whence it cometh, and whither it goeth. So is everyone that is born of the Spirit. This is John chapter 3, verse 8. Look closely. The tree does not strive to grow. It abides, and growth becomes its nature. The ocean does not compete for depth. It yields and becomes immeasurable. The sun does not ask permission to shine. It simply is what it was created to be. In you, O soul, why do you struggle to become what you already are in God? Nature does not rush, yet everything is accomplished. The seasons do not argue, yet transformation is inevitable. Winter strips, spring restores.